If you're concerned about uptime and you're looking to minimize your downtime, that's what we specialize in. We're at Data Center World today talking about uptime solutions. The greatest thing has been able to talk to all these people here that have issues with downtime. The facility based in Arizona, very hot. Their chillers go down. It's very critical to the infrastructure of those facilities. We were able to pull those drives into our facility, complete repairs, dyno test those things, and in 24 hours be able to return drives to get that facility up and running. Data centers that experience downtime, we want to work with them to maximize the uptime. We're a total solution provider. Sure, we can sell you parts, but it's what we do beyond selling you parts. It's putting critical spares strategies in place with you. We're helping you with asset management, preventive maintenance programs that'll help them maximize their uptime.
Nothing breaks at 8 a.m. on a Monday morning. It breaks at 5 p.m. on a Friday. We're here to support you at any time, anywhere. And at the end of the day, nothing's worse than downtime.